Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. All students get ready. And first of all, this is you can see October 2021 42 variant question number 5. And whenever you this value put, please don't put without brackets. Okay, look, I'll show you y is equals to -1 to power 3 minus 3 times to -1 to power 2 and plus 3. So brackets are very, very important. I believe you got a point. And the first answer I'm getting is -1. Okay, when I plug in the other number 1.5 in each x value, so what happens? Let's see 1.5, 1.5, even 1.5. So 1.5 to power 3, -3 into 1.5 to power 2 and plus 3. This value is coming with me -0.375. -0.375. And last number 3, plug in 3 here. So y is equals to 3 to power 3 and here 3, and this working is show to examiner or don't show to examiner, no problem at all. So okay, so 1 minute please. This is becoming 3. So 3. Okay, I'm going to draw, and before I draw, every time I taught you that we have a formula, value divided by number of boxes. So value is what? Value is 0.5. This 0.5 is going in numerator. And how many boxes here? 10. If I did 10, I get 0.05. It means one box is 0.05. So if I multiply into 2 here, into 2, into 2 here, into 2 here, you can check parallel with me, it become 0.1. It means 2 boxes 0.1, 1 box is 0.05. Example, this is 2. After 2 box, this is called 2.1. This is 2.2, this 2.3, this is 2.4, and then 2.5. I hope so you got the point why I drew like this. Okay, now what about y-axis? About y-axis 0.5, I'm copying in the numerator. But the boxes are not 10, 5 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. And I'm getting here 0.1. So along y-axis, one box is 0.1. Now I'm start drawing. Okay, x is -1 is where? Here. Y is -1 is here. And they meet, look at there, this line and this line. They meet at this point. So I believe you got idea clear. Then next point is what? X is -0.5 and 2.125. So let me make a line here. So 2.25 positive. So 2.125. 2.125 is where? 2 is this. So 2.1 is this, because one box is 0.1. So this is 2.1. And 2.5 is slightly, but not a big difference. So I will make slightly above. And I think you got the point. It means from here, this, from point from here, and here we have this one. So I think point is clear. Next point is x0, y3, x0, y3, x0, y0, x0, y1, x0, y2, x0, y3. So this point, done. Now, next point is x0.5 is here, 2.7325, I think you close to 2.4. So 2.4 is where? 2.5, so one box below, here, and one box below. So it is coming here. Let me erase the lines. Okay. Now 1, 1. X is 1, y is 1. 1 from here, 1 from here. Okay, 1.5 and -0.75, approximately -0.4, which is here. Okay. So here, I've joined here. I believe the point is clear. It is very clear. Okay, now 2 minus 1. X is 2 minus 1. Minus 1 is here. I mean this and this point. So I get this point. Okay, 2.5 from there and negative 0.1. 0.1 is where? Negative 0.1 is one box below. I mean this point. You can see clearly. Okay, 3, x is 3, y is positive 3, which is coming here, sorry, here and here. Okay, student, let's draw it. And I said before, don't join directly, wrong approach. Okay, so when you draw, see, there's a wrong way, there's a right way. Wait a minute. You see smooth curve. So you have to draw every point like this. So first of all, join this. Wait a minute. Slightly less bending, although we have to make it a little more bending. Okay. And I think little trouble. Okay. I think this is okay. And let's. This is a little shaky. Okay. I think clear. Let's go the last. Don't make this way. Don't make this way. So make such a way. You can stop even. I believe your point is clear. So diagram is done. Now, I said whenever doing the lower part, every time the top question, copy paste. So I'm copying from here. So as I copy this question from here, student, I bring down. Now I'll try to match. Is this x cube matching? Correct. Copy. Is this matching? Exactly copy. Copy it. Is this plus x matching? Not at all. X will go on the other side. Is this one matching? Not at all. I bring both on the other side. I got a minus x minus 1. So these two are matching, but these two are not matching. Okay, done. To make it, to bring this plus 3, what I will do, student, look the way. So I will add 3 on both sides. I'm writing the word add 3 both sides. This wording is not important to write. You just show like this. Exam will give full marks. Some teacher teach adding and subtracting same side. And later on, they bring this minus 3 there, so no problem. Same meanings. Is this fully matching? Correct, matching. This full totally match? Yes, match. It matches, so I can replace y here. And this is negative x. This will become 2. Now, if we ask you write equation of line, you can stop it here. But he said no, draw a line. So you make a table of 2 numbers, and ideal number is from here, this one, this one, this one, this one, any number. But I will take 0. And I take any other number, but don't take close to 0. I take 2 even, 0 and 2. If you take 3, no problem at all. If you take negative 1, no problem at all. Okay, now I'm going to plug in where? Wait a minute. One by one, I show you here. So number 1, I'm going to do what? When I plug in x values, sorry, not y. X value 0 and x value 2. So 0 goes here. So y is equal to negative 0 plus 2. So y becomes 2. So this 2 I'm writing below. And when I plug in this 2 here, so negative with y equal to negative 2 plus 2. I got a 0. So this 0 comes down. So x0, y2 is where? Let's try to find it. x0, y2 is here. Repeat. x0, y0, x0, y1, x0, y2. So this point, I make a green cross, small one. Oh, sorry, this is a mistake. I wrote this 2 by mistake here. It must be because 0. So, okay. X is 2, y0. Hey, x0, y0. Here x1 y0, here x2 y0. So x2 y0. So I make again a green cross here. Now, students, I will take a scale and I join them, both green points. Okay, I'm going to join. And wait, let me see. Is it correct? Yeah, it is correct. It is correct. Slightly, it is a down, but I think so. Okay, not a big difference. Okay, I think now it is better. And now I'm going to write, okay, first, you see the three boxes, three empty spaces, students, okay? So first answer, I'm just showing you how many answers we have. Number one is this. Because green and red curve intersecting at this point. And this is what? Two box is 0.1. So this is negative 0.4. This is my first answer. Second is there luckily 1. And third answer is here, which is go this way, is a positive 2.4. So I have three answers, positive 2.4, 1 and negative 0.4. So I'm writing in, you can write in different order, even no issue. Some student asked me, sir, negative, positive, positive. No, order is not a matter. You can write any order. I believe the point is very clear. And that's it. And question is completely over.